Welcome to quiz time. 10 questions. Let's see how many you can get right.
Question 1. What is the largest bird? A. Ostrich. B. Emu. C. Andean condor. D. Southern cassowary.
The answer is A. Ostrich. Ostriches are the fastest birds on land, capable of running up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. Question 2. What causes a rainbow? A. Sunlight refracting and reflecting through raindrops. B. The moon's light bouncing off clouds. C. Heat rising from the Earth's surface. D. Dust particles in the air scattering light. The answer is A. Sunlight refracting and reflecting through raindrops. Sunlight bends and reflects inside raindrops, separating into its spectrum of colors. Question 3. What is the largest known star? A. UY Scuti. B. Betelgeuse. C. VY Canis Majoris. D. The Sun. The answer is A. UY Scuti. UY Scuti is a hypergiant star so vast its diameter could contain nearly 1,700 suns. Question 4. What animal lives the longest? A. Galapagos tortoise. B. Blue whale. C. African elephant. D. Human. The answer is A. Galapagos tortoise. Galapagos tortoises can live for over 100 years, with some individuals exceeding 150 years in age. Question 5. What is the fastest bird? A. Peregrine falcon. B. Ostrich. C. Common swift. D. Golden eagle. The answer is A. Peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcons can reach speeds over 200 miles per hour during their hunting dives, making them the fastest animal on Earth. Question 6. What is the largest desert? A. Antarctic polar desert. B. Sahara desert. C. Arabian desert. D. Gobi desert. The answer is A. Antarctic polar desert. Despite its ice, Antarctica is a desert because it receives very little precipitation, making it the largest. Question 7. What animal has the best memory? A. Elephant. B. Dolphin. C. Chimpanzee. D. Dog. The answer is A. Elephant. Elephants can remember specific individuals and locations for many decades, which aids their survival. Question 8. What is the brightest star? A. Sirius. B. Polaris. C. Betelgeuse. D. Rigel. The answer is A. Sirius. Sirius is often called the dog star due to its prominence in the constellation Canis Major. Question 9. What is the largest flower? A. Rafflesia arnoldi. B. Titan arum. C. Giant water lily. D. Sunflower. The answer is A. Rafflesia arnoldi. It's a parasitic plant known for its putrid smell, attracting pollinator insects. Question 10. What animal can fly backwards? A. Hummingbird. B. Eagle. C. Bat. D. Butterfly. The answer is A. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can truly fly backward, sideways, and even upside down. Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quizzes every day.